Hey dear viewers, welcome back to Mr. Tech Fox. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the problem related to your microphone. If your microphone is not being connected to your PC or if it's not working, then this tutorial is going to be very helpful for you and it's gonna be work for you. First of all, you have to click on the start icon and then you have to search on the search bar sound settings and then you have to open it. And here you will see many options. Normally you have to click on the right corner sound control panel. And here you will see a pop-up of sound settings. You have to click on recording and you will see all the microphones that are connected to your PC. Make sure that you have already enabled your microphone from here. You have to click on the right button of your mouse and here you will see an option to enable. I already enabled it, so it's showing to disable it. Okay, so make sure that you have enabled this option. After that, you have to click on OK button and now you have to click on this option called manage sound devices. And here you will see all the devices of your PC. Either it can be output devices or input devices. Here you have to enable your microphone from input devices. You will see the list of your microphones here. If your microphone is listed here, then you have to enable it from here. You can see that I have already enabled my microphone from here. So it's showing the option to disable it. And make sure that you also enable your microphone from here. After enabling it, you will also be able to use your microphone. Okay, and now you have to click again in the back button and then you have to click on device properties and make sure that you have unchecked this option. And now you have to follow the final step, and that's you have to click again on start button and here you have to search on the search bar microphone privacy settings and you have to open this option. And in this page, make sure that you have turned on this option by clicking on change button and you have provided microphone access for this device. Okay, then you have to click on this button and make sure that you already turned on this button also. Okay, and here you have to provide the permissions for all of your apps in your PC. I already provided permissions for my all apps. You also have to provide the permission for all necessary apps here. And that's it. You can see an icon here called microphone icon. And I think you also be able to see an icon like this. And that's all about today's video. I think this video is going to be very helpful for you. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and also requesting to hit the subscribe button. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Stay connected with Mr. Tech Fox.